So for example, this one is actually the local directory of the Unreal 5.2, which is not able to load the map. What I'm doing is that I will first obvious to make a backset of this folder, and then I will just delete everything except these 3 photos, or maybe readme. I will also keep them. So then I will delete that. And then here, what I'm going to do is that I will get that fighter project. This one, that was actually the latest project that working from my local system in Unreal 4.27. I'm going to copy everything here and then come here and paste it. Basically, I think that git attributes and also git ignore and also this one. These are the folders telling that GitHub desktop to link with the local directory. As soon as we can save them, then there won't be any issue for overwriting. Okay, let's see what happened now. Okay, now let's try to fetch origin. Okay, you can see detected that lots of has changed because that was the very early one. But I'm not going to push on the main branch, just in case of something get rolled again. Then I will just say that the rollback fighter can. So this is for sure working on Unreal 4. So let me create a new branch. Create a branch, switch branch. It takes a bit time. So now we can see 2 errors. Basically, the first one is logging the project while our teammates is collaborating that in avoid that some clash happened. So it logged that, especially while lots of change has been done. And the second one is about the version control error. So after we close the error, actually I already had the formula. It is over here. We can type this one and then plus the link of the repository and then type the rest of the formula. That is for solving the first error. And for solving the second error, we use this one to correct the version. But where to type that? We go to the repository, open in command prompt. Yeah, now it is coming. We can try to type. And now we go to the repository. So it's basically on the repo. We click clone and then copy this one and then paste, right? And after that, we can type space true. We hit enter. Next is git .1. Yeah. Let's just simply push to origin. So this type of work doesn't actually have too many steps, but just take attention, especially while pushing it. So it may take more than half hour for pushing. I just paused the video, but finally it get pushed. So let's just go back to the commit of the repository. You can see there is rollback fighter I have created. You can create a pull request. But anyway, we have finally finished pushing. Hope you find the video helps. Thank you.